Hi, honey. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm getting ready to use my Presto smoker and slow cooker. And I'll be smoking these already done ribs. I had Instacart deliver these this morning. I got 3 slabs. I think I'm going to put 2 slabs in here. You know, the already done ribs that you can buy in the store. Some brands are better than others. Now that lady, that's good. She gave me this little short slab and the others are pretty long. Now she was shopping for herself, they all would have been long. So I didn't like that. So I didn't give her an extra tip. Okay, I'll take the lid off. Put some plug it in. Okay, which plug goes with what? Okay, got so much stuff up here. This has a 3-pronged plug, grounded. Okay. Oh no, I'm not gonna make this. I'll make this another day because it's getting ready to storm and these lights blinked for the 2nd time. I don't want my food in something electric and then the power go out. So, I'm going to save this for another time. Yeah, power keep going out. What I got in there I can fix right quick. Tuna. I'll make some tuna salad right quick. I ain't boiling no eggs or nothing. So, I'll stick these in the fridge. 3 slabs. So, I was going to use hickory wood chips. And I was going to season them with this here stuff. It's good. Sweet basil, citrus, and garlic rub. I got this from Amazon. And I was going to squirt some Worcestershire sauce on it. I'll keep Worcestershire in here. It squirts out nicely. Now somebody said they want to put some Old Bay or something in here. I think Old Bay would be too thick to squirt. It would just clog up the sprayer. But Worcestershire works fine. No leaks. So, and I was going to use my Rachel Ray chef knife to cut the slabs and arrange them on the tray. So, I'm still going to put this video up so y'all will know what's in store for when I do cook this. You know what? I'm going to put take the racks out. I'm going to put the wood chips in here so it'll be ready to go. This is how it looks on the inside. It has a cup, it has a lid, then it has a cup. Put the cup down in here. And you put, and always arrange the hose so that the hose are upward. Don't turn it upside down. And some people cover their lid with foil. Make sure you punch a hole in the foil so the smoke can go through there. I've been vacuum sealing this bag back up. Okay. Woo! Okay, I'm filling the center and the all around it with these wood chips. And when I do cook on it, I'm going to use the hot smoke. I used the combo smoke one time because it was recommended in that little book that comes with it. I did ribs and it said use the combo smoke. I did it and the smoke wasn't as strong as I would have liked it. So I don't use the combo smoke anymore. I use the hot smoke. I don't want smoke, I want smoke. And I'll fill this cup up. Even for stuff that's not going to cook that long, I'll fill it up to ensure I get a nice smoked flavor. One more. Okay, I'll show y'all before I put the lid on. And make sure none of these wood chips are sticking up. You want to be able to put this lid on here so it closes. It fits down. See, it fits. I filled around the outside of it and inside. Like that. So, I hate these handles. So, when I put the meat on here, I just fold these handles down. And I'm just going to put the meat on here. And I think 2 slabs will be enough to cover up these 3 racks. Y'all see these lights blinking? And I hear the air raid siren. Wow. Something going on. So I ain't cooking today, y'all. So this is an almost video. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. And stay tuned for part 2 of this video, where I'll actually do some cooking. Y'all hear the sirens? It's gotten so dark in the matter of 10 minutes. It's 4 o'clock p.m. Bye, y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye.